In count three, you're charged with the offense of possession of child pornography. That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Thank you. All right, court is calling 2022 CR 9877, State of Texas versus Francisco Hasso. Could our parties announce for the record?
Yes,
the state?
Travis Rodriguez for the state of Texas.
Defense. And are you Mr. Hasso?
Francisco Medina Hasso.
Is that who you are?
Yes. Yes.
And we have an interpreter here. Could you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly, not you, sir. Do you solemnly swear and affirm you will faithfully translate from English into Spanish and Spanish into English, so help you God?
I do, Your Honor.
All right, you may lower your hand. Could you state your name for the record?
Vicky Cavazos Jones.
Counsel, do you speak Spanish?
I do.
And do you speak it fluently?
My first language. Very fluent.
And have you been able to review all of these documents with your client in Spanish?
Yes, I have.
Mr. Hasso, all of the documents that we're going to discuss are in English. Were those documents reviewed with you in Spanish?
Yes.
And
Yes.
have you, and did you understand those documents?
Yes.
Counsel, have you received all the discovery in this case and did you review it with your client?
I have.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Mr. Hasso, did you review the document entitled True Bill of Indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
No, Your Honor, the state moves to proceed on count 3 of the indictment. That is a third-degree felony, and waive and abandon the remaining counts.
Any objection? Mr. Hasso, did you review the document with your attorney entitled Court's Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions?
Yes.
Did you understand in count 3, you're charged with the offense of possession of child pornography? That's a third-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 10 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine.
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial? A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea bargain agreement, you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea bargain agreement in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand that if you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow that plea bargain agreement? If for any reason the court does not follow that agreement and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has.
Do you believe he has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against him?
Yes.
Do you believe he's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes.
Mr. Hasso, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea bargain agreement?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
No.
Counsel, were you aware that your client is not a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Has he had a chance to review this plea with an immigration attorney, or did you advise him?
I advise you.
Mr. Hasso, has your client informed you of the immigration consequences of entering a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did those consequences include deportation, the denial of naturalization, and not being able to re-enter the United States?
Yes.
Did you understand the consequences of entering a plea in this cause number as it relates to your immigration status?
Yes.
And knowing those consequences, do you still wish to go forward with the plea?
Yes.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived his right to jury trial. According to the plea bargain agreement, state is proceeding on count 3. Punishment is to be assessed at 4 years in the prison. There are no applications. The state is taking in consideration the following cause numbers: night mag number 671041, 671043, 671040, CM number 101289, and there's lifetime registration. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes.
Defense, is that the plea?
Yes.
State, is that the plea?
It is the state's understanding, Your Honor.
Did you review the paragraph with your attorney entitled waiver of appeal paragraph? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court.
Yes.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
There have been no motions.
Then Mr. Hasso, to count 3, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
Guilty.
State any evidence.
Yes, Your Honor. The state has previously tendered State's Exhibits 1 and their attachments to opposing counsel. At this time, the state offers State's Exhibit 1 and attachments to the court pending any objections.
Without objection.
Mr. Hasso, did you review the documents entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial? A right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state will call, and the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports? But most importantly, there will be no live testimony. Did you understand?
Yes.
Court will find that the defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing state's exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
Strong.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Wait, yes,
Court will sentence you to 4 years in the prison. Take in consideration NIBAG number 671041, 671043, 671040, CM number 101289, and chapter 62 registration, and no contact with minors. Is there anything else from either side with regards to sentencing?
Your Honor, I do have some physical dismissals to present to the court whenever the court's ready. May I approach?
Yes. And did you review the trial court certification of defendant's rights to appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes,
Because this is a plea bargaining agreement, because I followed your plea bargaining agreement, and because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
yes.
All right, thank you. Thank you so much for coming down. You're welcome.
A courtroom falls completely silent as an interpreter steps in, every word now carrying even more weight. Francisco Costo stands before the judge, unable to speak directly, relying on translation as he faces a serious felony, possession of child pornography. But what makes this moment even more intense isn't just the charge, it's the consequences. The judge doesn't rush. Instead, she carefully walks him through everything: prison time, lifetime registration, and something even bigger: deportation. He understands. He acknowledges it. And then he still pleads guilty. No hesitation, no argument, just acceptance. Within minutes, the decision is sealed. A 4-year prison sentence is handed down, along with consequences that will follow him for life. But the real question is, why would someone knowingly accept all of that?